Hi guys, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. Today is the Tuesday, 16th of June, 2026. I'll give an update about what happened over the past, let's see, 4 days. The last update I gave was on the Friday, which was the 12th of June. So I've been away for a few days over the weekend and also yesterday, Monday. It is an update, of course, for June the 12th to the 15th. It's day 106 to 109 of our documented trading journey. For Oanda, we are now at 15,146 US dollars with a 60% exposure. Binance at 9698 with a 79% exposure. This gives an overall net asset value of 24,844 US dollars. Right now, our gain is positive 5.58% over 109 days, and that equates to a gain of $1,314. Our equity curve or our net asset value curve looks like this. So it seems to be rebounding now after a few weeks of down only. Due to the Bitcoin and silver price declining. These two are our major vehicles that we use for this trading strategy, Bitcoin and silver. But of course, there's also gold and bonds and crude oil and other instruments as well, which I will cover. So this is this is the update, and I'll give an update about what happened on Bitcoin. So since our last update somewhere around here, on the 11th, this was our last update around this candle. We have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 take profits, and then now two buys have hit again. So Bitcoin seems to be trending back up on a daily chart. You can see. So we still have lots of take profits to hit. We hope that eventually gets hit. So we'll see. Okay, my video froze. I think the battery of my camera ran out, but then we'll just continue nevertheless. All right, so that was for Bitcoin, and if we toggle this off, maybe. And it's a bit clearer on what the trend will be or what the trend is. So it went up like this over the past until mid-May, 11th of May. Then it was down only, and then now it's rebounding. But could this just be a dead cat bounce before it resumes course back down to the 40,000 region? If it does do that, then I think it's a good time now to load up on Bitcoin with whatever dry powder you might have, which I will be doing. If Bitcoin ever revisits between the 40 to 50,000 range, I think I will start buying around the 55 range, and then if it goes down all the way to 40,000, then I will continue to purchase Bitcoin spot. Okay, so that was for Bitcoin. If we look now at CFDs, we have some activities. Gold took profit, silver took profit. Yeah, one apiece, and I'll show you what happened in those charts. So gold took profit at 4,300. Let's have a look at that. So let's look at the daily. Yeah, so this was our gap up on Monday morning. Gold opened gap up, so we had a buy order at 4,100, which took profit at 4,300. I didn't set a rebuy at 4,100. I set it at 4,000. Yeah, because I think that the decline in gold is not over yet, and another decline is coming soon. So that was my thinking behind that. Instead of setting it at 41, I set it at 4,000. For silver, similarly, we had a gap up, and I think we took one profit as well. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, there you go. Took profit at almost $68. It was for the trade open at $66, which I've since reset the buy order as well. So that's what's going on with silver. Let's see, we have a crude oil trade open, which is now quite in the negative. It's just down only. I thought 90 would be a good level to buy. What positive is we didn't chase the oil trade above 100. I set it at 90, which hit. Unfortunately, it keeps going down. Now it's 83. So in hindsight, I could have set the buy order at 80. Yeah, it is what it is. But then I've reset the buy order at 80 down to 70 to see if that will hit. I'm still quite optimistic about oil. I don't think lower oil prices are going to be a permanent fixture. Okay. What else do we have open? So we'll cover gold, we'll cover silver. Let's look at bonds. So bonds are in a multi-year downtrend, if you can see here. So this is the monthly chart. This is a multi-year downtrend, but it looks like it's in the process of making a bottom, or a complicated bottom. It has basically been ranging since, what day is this? Since mid 2023. So it's been 3 years ranging in this tight channel here. So could it be on the verge of breaking out? Who knows? Yeah, but we will continue to buy the dips because I don't think it will have any prolonged. It can't go to zero basically. Oh well, maybe it can if the US goes bankrupt, but I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. Even though they are the most fiscally irresponsible superpower ever. Okay, so let's look at China. What's happening there? Okay, seems to have rebounded in the past 3 days. Today's a down day. But we have our buy order set. Okay, let's look at copper. What's going on with copper? Copper is really strong. So look at that. So down a couple of days, but then overall it seems to be holding up well. Crude oil we already covered. S&P. Oh my goodness, back up again. Hi. It's very resilient. SpaceX is doing incredible as well. Terrible. If we look at the SpaceX, 213 now. Pretty sick. All right, so that's my update for today, and see you guys soon.